In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a project progress report in Stack. We'll walk through a simple, repeatable workflow inside Stack Build so you can summarize what actually happened on site and how the schedule is tracking. Start by logging into Stack Build, then open the project you want to report on. You'll need Viewer Plus, Editor, or Admin access to see everything we're about to cover. Your report will rely first on daily reports because they capture the day-to-day reality of the job. Inside the project, open daily reports. Set your filters to match the time frame you're reporting on. Weekly for short updates or monthly for broader summaries. If you want to focus on specific teams, apply a crew or trade filter. Then review the entries. Look at what work was completed, the labor hours logged, any delays that occurred, and weather impacts noted by the field. These details are your on-site source of truth. Keep your date range consistent across filters to make comparisons cleaner and surface trends quickly. If your update spans multiple weeks, stick to a consistent cadence so stakeholders can compare periods at a glance. Next, turn to Workflow Progress to show planned versus completed work. Open workflows within the same project. Use the status filter to view completed, in progress, or open items, and pair it with a due date filter for the same period. Tally what's completed, identify what's overdue, and highlight what's coming up. This forms the scheduled progress portion of your report and complements the field reality from daily reports. Now assemble your narrative. Lead with the time frame, then summarize site progress from daily reports, calling out major accomplishments, labor utilization, delays, and any weather impacts. Follow with the schedule perspective from workflows, noting key totals for completed, overdue, and upcoming tasks. Keep the language clear and neutral so it's easy for stakeholders to understand. When questions arise, reference the filters you used so your report remains traceable back to Stack. That's all there is to it. Ground your updates in daily reports and validate them against workflow status to produce a concise, trustworthy project progress report every time.